In college, Heidi's future boyfriend texted her to inquire how to use the washing machine in her old apartment. She knew she would marry Ed the moment she saw him. After dating for several years, Ed proposed to Heidi. Yes. However, Heidi's mother didn't like her future son-in-law. He made her feel strange. After seeing an old family portrait, she realized her daughter might be in danger. Heidi's old apartment was rented by Ed. She received an unexpected Facebook message from him pleading for aid. Ed didn't know how to use the student flat washing machine, Heidi said in an interview. He saw my name on a post, realized I lived there the year before, and decided I could help. Ed wanted to see it in person after she explained on Facebook. Heidi said she went to Ed's house basically because he was hot. She demonstrated the machine and chatted. Ed stopped Heidi from leaving and asked her out. Heidi was surprised despite liking him. He was gorgeous and amazing, she said. I only remember thinking, wow, he's hot. She realized she liked Ed for more than his looks. He was stunning. We clicked right away, she said. Her crush wasn't who she thought he was. Ed proposed to Heidi soon after, and they started planning their future. They moved to London and rented an apartment together after college. They told their mothers when to meet. They reserved a table at their favorite restaurant and called Heidi's mother, Kay, and Ed's mother, Fiona. Are their mothers compatible? Luckily, Kay and Fiona got along immediately as they shared their funny stories. The two mothers quickly realized their families were similar. If you like my videos, don't forget to like or subscribe. Thanks in advance. The couple told their mothers about their wedding plans after dinner. Fiona was overexcited. Her son finally married. Kay appeared worried. She felt odd about her daughter's fiancé. Kay told Fiona about her first boyfriend before leaving the restaurant. They visited Turkey when her daughter was 6. She couldn't leave her vacation boyfriend. They held hands all vacation. Kay said she went to Turkey with her son around the same time but couldn't remember the date. What a coincidence! Kay exclaimed. She knew Fiona and Ed were keeping a secret. What occurred? Kay retrieved her old photo albums at home. She had to solve this mystery. She found the album dated July 1997 in the dusty pages. Heidi and her boyfriend's 20-year-old Turkey photo was found. Ed, her future husband. Kay was sure this cute little blonde boy was Ed her daughter was dating. She immediately texted Fiona a photo of Heidi and her boyfriend. Fiona couldn't believe her eyes. I screamed. Unreal. Kay remembered sending it to Fiona. This amazing discovery surprised Fiona too. When Kay sent me the photo of a little boy named Ed, I shrieked, "Oh my goodness, that's Ed." Unbelievable, she said. Heidi's mother said, during that 2-week holiday, Ed and Heidi held hands most of the time. Telling their kids and seeing their reactions was time. I was stunned when my mother sent me the first photo of us. I actually lay down. Heidi said. Her future husband was amazed too. We were astonished. Heidi and Ed were too young to remember their vacation. Many photos were released. We had no idea Heidi and Ed had met before university, Fiona told Daily Mail. Everyone knew Heidi and Ed were childhood sweethearts. Turkey yielded 5 more photos of the families. Heidi said, everyone was amazed. Heidi and Ed knew fate brought them together. I didn't believe in fate before finding that out, but there's no arguing with it, we are clearly destined to be together, Heidi told Daily Mail. Her mother suggested a subconscious realization that they had shared that time together when they met as adults. Their wedding invitations featured these childhood vacation photos. Their guests would be delighted. Heidi married Ed in Derbyshire. It was not just Heidi and Ed who met on that holiday, but all of us, Ed's mother said after the wedding. In Turkey, the couple's siblings met. Some pictures showed their siblings together. After Heidi and Ed's wedding, the two families had a great vacation. After 4 years of marriage, they still can't believe their first meeting. We found out after 4 years together, so it's crazy to think we might have never known. Heidi said, "It's crazy to think we could have married and shared our lives without knowing this. People say it's fate and a movie plot." Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.